If Pixlr is showing an error, loading forever, or just not working properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that solve the most common Pixlr app and browser issues fast. We'll start with basic browser checks, then move into a couple of network and system fixes that can help if the problem is caused by cached data, a browser extension, graphics settings, or even your connection. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's test Pixlr in private browsing mode. Open your browser and launch a new Incognito window or private window. Then go to pixlr.com and see if the site loads normally. This is a really important first step because private mode turns off most extensions and uses a cleaner browsing session. If Pixlr works in private mode, that usually means one of your browser extensions is blocking it or your normal browsing data is causing the issue. If it still doesn't work, don't worry, we've got more fixes to try. Next, if private mode worked, the most likely cause is corrupted browser data. To fix that, go to your browser settings. Look for privacy and security, then choose clear browsing data. Make sure you check cookies and cached images and files. For the time range, select all time so you clear out everything that could be causing the problem. Then click clear data and give your browser a moment to finish. After that, close and reopen your browser, then try Pixlr again. This step often fixes loading problems, login issues, and strange errors caused by old stored files. Now let's check browser hardware acceleration. This setting can sometimes cause graphics-related problems in web apps like Pixlr. Go back into your browser settings and search for hardware acceleration. If it is turned on, switch it off. If it is already off and you're still having trouble, you can also try turning it on, depending on your system. Once you change the setting, restart your browser completely. Don't just close the tab, make sure the whole browser is shut down and reopened so the change actually takes effect. This can help fix display glitches, blank screens, or app crashes. If Pixlr is still giving you trouble, the next step is to flush your DNS. This can help if the issue is caused by connection timeouts or network errors. On Windows, press the Windows key and type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the command window, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. You should see a message confirming the DNS cache has been successfully flushed. After that, try loading Pixlr again. This is a quick but powerful fix for networking problems that can interfere with web apps. Finally, check WebGL support. Pixlr relies on WebGL to run properly, especially for graphics and editing tools. Open a new tab and go to get.webgl.org. If you see a spinning cube, that means your browser and graphics driver are supporting WebGL correctly. If you don't see the cube or the page shows an error, your graphics driver or browser settings may need attention. In that case, updating your graphics driver or trying a different browser can help. WebGL issues are one of the biggest reasons image editors fail to load or perform badly in the browser. So to quickly recap, the main fixes are test Pixlr in private mode, clear your browser data if that works, reset hardware acceleration, flush DNS on Windows, and check whether WebGL is supported. Most Pixlr errors can be fixed by one of these steps without needing to reinstall anything. If one fix doesn't work, move on to the next one in order, because the problem is often somewhere in your browser, network, or graphics settings. If this video helped you fix the Pixlr app error, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more troubleshooting guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.